This video is going to describe how to create a column chart. When creating charts in Excel, you need to select as much data as possible. We want to compare the different types of houses and how those types of houses did over the 4 quarters. So you want to select the range A4 through E9. Notice I did not pick up any of the totals in column F, nor did I pick up the totals in row 10. With that range selected, use your Insert, Column, 2D Clustered Column. I'm going to move my column chart below the data. Get your 4-headed arrow, click, hold, and drag it to the cell and place you want to move to. When you select the cell, you have chart elements, chart style, and filtering buttons that appear. If you double click on the chart, you have a panel on the right hand side which helps you format the various elements of the chart. Right now I have selected Formatted Chart Area. If I would click in this area, I'm formatting the plot area. If I click down on the x-axis, I'm formatting that axis. If I click over on the numerical axis, the y, I'd be formatting this. If I select a data point, I'm going to be just formatting that data point. So be careful with instructions on the projects of what they want you to format. Do they want you to format the plot area, the chart area, each data point, and so forth? Pay attention to this title over here. To edit the chart title, just go in and select the chart title, and let's just go Houses by Quarter. If I wanted to switch and say, instead of having my type of houses on my x-axis and the quarters in my legend, I want to switch that data. You click on Chart Tools Design, you click the Switch Row column. Now I actually have the different houses as my legend, and as my x-axis are the various quarters. If I realize I don't want a column chart, you can always use the Design tab, change the chart type, and let's see what a line chart will look like. And it would easily convert to a line chart. Let's say I'm going to take my plot area and I want to add a little bit of solid fill, and I'm going to make it a real nice pale blue. Say I'm going to take my chart area and do a solid color, and I'm going to pick up, just so you can see the difference, I'm going to pick a pale orange. So you can see that this would be your chart area, this is your plot area. If I want to add data points to it, I just select my chart elements and data labels, and the various data labels, I could have them centered, left, right, above. And that actually puts the values above each data point. This is the chart. This is a column chart converted to a line chart.